Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm RexFinance, and today we're doing a very exciting video where I'm going to be investing my first ever YouTube paycheck and just how much that paycheck actually was worth into a brand new portfolio on a brand new broker with some brand new investment strategies. So, if you guys like the sound of that, stay tuned for this video. But before I get into it, I just have to say a massive thank you to you guys. You guys are the ones that pushed my channel over 5,000 subscribers. That number is insane to me, and we're almost at 5.2 thousand, and it hasn't even been a week yet. Last Wednesday, I uploaded a video, and I mentioned in that video that I hope to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of next week, which currently is the end of this week. But little did I know, literally the day after that, the Thursday, the day after the Wednesday that I posted that video, I would hit 5,000 subscribers. And that's just an insane number to me. So thank you guys, and I owe it all to you. So, like I said, we're on our way to 5.2 thousand subscribers already. The growth on the channel is accelerating and is accumulating time and time again. So if you guys are new or returning and not yet subscribed, if that subscribe button is not grayed out, like I always say, you guys are doing something wrong. So I said, yes, today we are starting a bunch of new things on this channel, and I hope you guys are excited for this as I am. We're starting a new portfolio on a new broker, and I'm not wearing a hat today, so that's new. This is the second ever video that I have not worn a hat, and I have 20 plus videos out there, so that's new. And this is just going to be a new series where I invest 100% of every YouTube paycheck that I receive, and I receive a monthly YouTube paycheck, so I get paid every month by YouTube, and I'll be open about how much I'm making on YouTube, and this portfolio will kind of be our portfolio. I don't consider it my portfolio because I'm going to be asking you guys for suggestions on companies to invest in this portfolio, and I just hope I can make some money on this new portfolio. So I probably should mention this is going to be a dividend investing portfolio. I'm pretty well known on YouTube for my growth and value investing, but this account for the most part is just going to be dividend investing with a little value investing on the side. If I can get some value in my dividend investment plays, that would be awesome. I'm aiming for a 4% dividend yield average in my portfolio. And this portfolio is going to be on a new brokerage like I mentioned, and that brokerage is M1 Finance. And the reason I chose M1 Finance is because their platform for dividend investing kicks Robinhood's butt. And M1 Finance is not for the active trader. There's only 2 trade windows, only one actually if you don't pay for the premium service on M1 Finance. So you only have 1 trade window a day where your money gets invested. Another reason I'm choosing M1 Finance for this portfolio is one of my friends on YouTube. And that YouTuber is the Millennial Investor. I keep up with this guy a lot. As you can see on the right, he features my channel. I also feature his channel on my channel page. So if you want an easy way to get to his channel, just go to my channel and look on the side and you'll see his channel. Just click his link. Also, I will leave a link to his channel in the description down below. But this guy is one of the smartest dividend investors I know. I've learned a lot from his channel, and it's really the reason I decided to make a dividend-only portfolio using my YouTube paychecks. This guy is close to 1,000 subscribers, so let's get him close to 1,000, guys. Every single one of you go down there and subscribe to him. Trust me, you're going to love his content, especially if you're into some dividend investing. So through this new series, I'm going to be capturing an entirely new audience. Like I mentioned, I'm known for my growth and value investing strategies on YouTube and my suggestions. However, this portfolio is going to be about dividend investing, like I said, along with a little bit of value investing. So I'm capturing an entirely new audience, and I hope that my already existing viewers, and I know you guys will because you guys are super supportive and we have a great community on here, will enjoy this content as well. So I want to know if you guys, my active viewers, own any dividend payers, any dividend paying companies out there. Let me know down in the comments section. Also, if you have any suggestions on companies I should invest in this portfolio, let me know that as well. So spoiler alert, if you look above me, you'll see that I have $156.43 in my M1 Finance portfolio ready to be invested. And if you guessed that that was my monthly revenue for the first month I was on YouTube, you guessed correctly. I made $156.43. 100% of that is going to be going into this dividend portfolio. That's another reason I really like M1 Finance for this portfolio. I can invest every single penny of that $156.43. All of that money is going to be going into this portfolio and investing. None of it's going to be sitting on the side, wasting away. All of it's going to be actively, hopefully making me money. Now, just because M1 Finance is focused on dividend investors doesn't mean you can't buy growth companies or other companies on this platform. However, if you're an active trader or like to manage your investments more often than not, I would not suggest using M1 Finance. This is going to be my portfolio where I sit my money away and don't look at it and hope it grows and accumulates over time with the dividends. Like I said, I'm going to be aiming for around a 4% dividend yield on this portfolio if possible. If I can get that higher, great. If it's a little bit lower, that's fine. So the reason M1 Finance is set up so nicely for this portfolio is because you have pies and you invest different percentages of your money into these companies. You don't necessarily buy shares, although you can. You're buying more percentages of your portfolio. How much percent do I want in this company? You can choose that versus buying your individual shares, which is awesome, especially for dividend reinvesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for securities on this right tab here to add to my dividend portfolio. And the first company I'm going to be adding is actually one that I've invested in the past when I was with TD Ameritrade, and that is Altria Group, ticker symbol MO. They have an outstanding dividend yield, almost 8.5%, and this is back at levels that I actually bought into this company at in the past. Previously, I bought this company in the low 30s and sold it in the high 40s, so I got really good rate of return on the share price, but also I received dividends along the way. This is a huge company, 73 billion market cap, and they have a very sticky customer base. If you guys don't know, Altria Group is big into cigarettes with Philip Morris. They're getting into the Michael Jackson space. I probably shouldn't say that on YouTube, otherwise I'll be demonetized. And the reason their share price has been distressed lately is because of the issues they've had with their investment in e-cigarettes and the company Juul. However, those issues are going away. I think it's a great time to invest. The share price is undervalued, so like I said, I'm getting a little bit of value investing here, and I'm also getting a great dividend yield to start off this portfolio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to my basket. I think it's a great investment. Great opportunity to collect awesome dividends. They pay 84 cents a share quarterly, and I just love this company. So this is going to be the first company I add to this portfolio. Second company I'm adding today, I'm actually only going to add 2 companies this month because I don't want to create this portfolio. Like I said, I want you guys to pick the companies and dividend paying companies that I invest in, so let me know in the comments. But the second company I'm going to be investing in is Coca-Cola. And really the reason I'm doing this is, who doesn't know Coke? Who does not know the company Coca-Cola or the beverage Coca-Cola? This company's even bigger, almost 3 times the size of MO or Altria at a 192, almost 193 market cap. Now, Coca-Cola is a 100% beverages company. If we go to their investor relations page, you can see all of the different businesses or side projects they have. They own Coca-Cola, obviously. They also own Powerade. They own Aquarius, Fuse Tea, Smart Water, Dasani Water, Minute Maid Lemonade. Very good lemonade. I'm a big lemonade guy. Lemonade's great. Diet Coke, obviously. Coca-Cola Zero, obviously. Simply Beverages are great. Sprite, Gold Peak, Honest Tea, you name it. This company's 100% into the beverages market, and the reason I like that is because they're not dealing with race issues like Pepsi Cola is right now with their whole Aunt Jemima thing. In addition to that, Coca-Cola is backed by the one and only Warren Buffett. This man practically bleeds Coca-Cola. I don't think I've ever seen him in an interview or even in person not with a Coke can in his hand or next to him. This is great marketing for Coca-Cola, and if Warren Buffett believes in this company, I'm sure as heck going to believe in this company, and I see value in this share price as well. Before the virus hit, Coca-Cola was around $60 a share, and it's sunk down to $45 a share and hasn't really recovered. I really like this pick because it's also another sticky customer base. Once a consumer decides between Pepsi or Coke, they're not going to change their mind most of the time. If they like Coca-Cola, they're going to stick with Coca-Cola and they're going to despise Pepsi and vice versa. And I just really like Coca-Cola's business model. I like how they have a bunch of different beverages. They're well diversified. Warren Buffett backs them. Their PE ratio is reasonable, and they have a 3.6% dividend yield, which is a little under my average goal. But since I added Altria with an 8.5% dividend yield, this is really going to be a very good balancing act for my portfolio. So without further ado, we're going to add that to my basket as well. We're going to hit the add button, and we're going to put 50% of this paycheck in both of these companies, MO and KO, kind of ironic. But so we have a total of 100% of our money invested. Now, this won't be invested until tomorrow morning because I'm recording this video at 11 at night because I have a day job. But in the morning, these orders will execute at whatever price these companies are at, and I'm just going to set it aside, and we're going to see how it grows over time with the dividends. We're going to reinvest all these dividends, and again, we're putting 100% of every single one of my YouTube paychecks into this portfolio, and I want you guys to pick which companies I invest in. So comment down below with suggestions. And as you can see, if we scroll down, I have 2 upcoming trades, 2 buys, coming at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. So as of 8:30 a.m., I'm going to own a portion of Coca-Cola's business, and I'm going to own a portion of Altria Group's business. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. We're getting this new portfolio started, and I'm excited for it because of so many different reasons. So once again, make sure you guys are subscribed so you can follow along with this brand new series. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video and like this video series idea. And with that, I'll be back with a brand new video on Wednesday. So have a great rest of your Monday and a great Tuesday. Peace out.
Go.